Flagstaff is one of the top-selling fiberglass trailers in the industry. From our quality construction to our many standard features, let us show you the Flagstaff difference and how we build value in everything we do. For more than 40 years, we've been building trailers in the small community of Millersburg, Indiana, always taking the time to ensure that our superior construction methods continue to challenge industry standards. The Flagstaff difference starts with one of the most important components of a trailer, the axles. At Flagstaff, we use Dexter Torflex torsion axles with independent suspension and self-adjusting electric brakes. The Dexter Torflex axle features a steel torsion bar surrounded by rubber cords to create a smoother ride and improved suspension over the traditional leaf spring axles used by others. Not only does our torsion axle provide a smoother, safer ride, but it also delivers peace of mind with a 10-year warranty, a much longer warranty than offered by trailer manufacturers who use leaf spring axles. Another Flagstaff difference is our 6-sided aluminum-framed construction, which includes our floors, sidewalls, front walls, rear walls, slide-out walls, and roofs. This gives Flagstaff a much sturdier and longer-lasting construction than trailers with wood in some of their framing. Plus, Flagstaff uses aluminum framing in all dinette sets, bed bases, and storage compartments. Again, something you won't see in other trailers. We also add value by double welding our aluminum to ensure structural integrity. Our 6-sided aluminum framed construction adds value to your RV and will protect your investment for the long run. Flagstaff is one of the very few manufacturers who take the time to laminate all of our materials on site. We don't contract the work out, so we control the quality. Our own 100,000 square foot state-of-the-art lamination facility ensures that our exceptional quality control measures are followed in every step of the process from start to finish. We take the time to laminate our roofs, sidewalls, front walls, back walls, and even slide-out end walls, steps that some manufacturers don't think are important. All of our roofs, sidewalls, front walls, back walls, and slide-out end walls are insulated with pre-cut closed-cell foam, leading to a better and fully insulated trailer. Our vacuum bonding of roofs and sidewalls ensures that the adhesive used in the lamination process is given ample time to set while under vacuum pressure, leading to a superior lamination compared to the quicker, simpler pinch roll process. We take the extra time to make it right. Another Flagstaff difference is in the construction of our floors. We install fiberglass wool insulation on top of a Darko moisture barrier to provide superior protection against the elements. Our floors start with a 2-inch by 2.5-inch aluminum substrate on 16-inch centers. A urethane adhesive is applied to every aluminum stud to ensure a solid bond of the floor. Our subfloor is constructed with a residential 5/8-inch tongue and groove plywood decking. The plywood decking is installed and screwed down every 12 inches into the aluminum studs. Flagstaff provides a superior floor by using 5/8-inch tongue and groove plywood instead of the traditional 1/2-inch single sheet of OSB for the subfloor. The quality construction continues with Flagstaff Cabinetry. All of our cabinet styles are assembled using a pre-drill and pocket screw method, a much more effective assembly than stapling. And all Flagstaff cabinet doors and drawers are solid wood. You won't find any flimsy board inserts here. Every Flagstaff trailer goes through the same rigorous inspection process. An inspector conducts extensive functional and aesthetic testing on every trailer to ensure that each and every trailer that leaves our facility is built to the highest quality standards. Flagstaff trailers also undergo daily tests at the Forest River Pre-Delivery Inspection Facility. This 20,000 square foot facility performs extensive testing, like our rain bait test and functional testing of key components that allow our production plant to receive immediate feedback. Again, this ensures that every Flagstaff trailer is built for the long haul. Not only is our construction process top of the line, but so are the many standard features that we offer. Tinted bonded frameless windows, magnetic door holds, backup camera prep, solar prep, Wi-Fi boosters, easy winterization inlet, black tank flush as an outside shower, 12-inch power fans with rain vent covers, and solid surface kitchen countertops. These are just a few of the upgraded standard features that we offer. We know what features are important to you, so we build them into every Flagstaff trailer. Quality construction, quality features, those are the top priorities at Flagstaff, and it's easy to see that it's what separates us from all the rest. At Flagstaff, we build value in everything we do.